Hey, what's up guys? David here from Overland Nomad, and on this episode I go camping in my new Tundra with no sleeping bag or tent. Stay tuned. So if you didn't watch one of my last videos, I bought this bright blue Tundra off of Copart, and now it's time to go test its 4-wheel drive at the beach. Gonna meet up with some family and friends out there. This time around, I decided to take minimum equipment and to test out my EcoFlow battery paired up with the Bougie RV 12-volt fridge. So I want to show you guys the setup that I was talking about right now. So we got the EcoFlow Pro, the EcoFlow River Pro. So it's here's the fridge is pulling out is 40s 30 watt output. As you can tell. Got my drinks, we got my food in here. Again, this is a Bougie RV 30 quart, I believe. You can find it on Amazon. These are super cheap, by the way. They're like $2.60. I'm gonna be doing a review video on this, just like I am for the EcoFlow. I mean, for the Iceco fridge. I don't know if I said EcoFlow earlier, but the Iceco, the 75 quart that I have. Got all my camping stuff, all my little essentials that I need. And I got all my other stuff in here. It's kind of minimal, you could say. I was supposed to be taking the camper. We actually put it on, but the problem is right now is that the bed's just a little too wide for the railings where it sits on. So I'm gonna have my friend Jacob, which you've seen before. He's the one that makes bumpers and whatever you need welding. Jacob's your guy. I'll leave his Instagram right here. If you're local here to the valley, to Rio Grande Valley. Anyways, I'm gonna have him weld up some tabs on there so it could sit nice on here. But yeah, this time, you know, I kind of want to go just regular tent camping, you know, go simple, basic. And I'm glad I went simple because the conditions at the beach weren't so great, which in a way makes it more fun because it puts the 4x4 to the test. High tide had really pushed inland, making the sand super soft, and the waves were still hitting high close to the dunes. And one thing I don't want to do is drive through the salt water. The weather was perfect, beautiful skies, not too windy, and not super crowded in this area. At the entrance to the beach, it could be super crowded, but the further you go north, the less people there are. This is my first full-size pickup I've ever owned, and the first V8 I've ever owned. Huge difference coming from the 80 series Land Cruiser, and obviously doesn't compare to driving my 94 pickup. The Tundra just cruised with no problems. This video is brought to you by Western Rides. Their pants are versatile, comfortable, and high performance. They don't wrinkle, smell, or stain, and they stretch in every direction. I've been wearing them for a few weeks, guys, and I love them, especially the fact that I got that elastic to it. They're stretchy, so I can stretch. I can do my outdoor stuff. No problem. It's water and stain resistant. There's a pocket in the front for your phone and a hidden zip pocket in the back for your wallet. They have over 5,000 5-star reviews. The durable material means each pair of pants comes with a lifetime warranty. The Western Rice team is so confident that you'll like it that they'll let you test drive it for 7 days for free. You can test multiple sizes and colors, and they won't even charge you unless you keep them. Get 10% off today with free worldwide shipping and returns by going to westernrides.com/overlandnomad. That's westernrides.com/overlandnomad and use discount code overlandnomad. Link in the description. Thank you, Western Rides, for supporting the channel. Back to our episode. we had a guy come up to our camp and asked if we had any jumper cables. Luckily, my friend Juan the firefighter had one of those battery jumper packs and started up the guy's truck. I also made another video on Juan's DIY rooftop tent that's on top of his Tacoma. Go check that out. Brent from TYRUX Grill sent me this really nice grill that goes over the fire, and this was my first time using it. It's made to stand over any fire and you can cook on it. It can also turn into a cage so that you can just flip the grill, but we just use it as a grill surface for our food. I wasn't used to cooking over fire until I got that portable pit that I used on my previous video, the one I go camping in my pickup. Then I used this TYRUX grill and I loved it for its simplicity and how durable and strong it is. It doesn't take up much room in my vehicle and it isn't heavy. And also this grill is made locally here in Texas, specifically in Shiner, Texas. So please support Texas made products like this TYRUX grill. Highly recommend it, and it's for sure my favorite cooking piece of equipment. Now go check their website. I'm gonna leave it down below. And thank you, Brent. Thank you, TYRUX Grills. Okay, I got a lot of plugs for some odd reason on this video, but last one, this cool tumbler from Yoda Filters on Instagram. Go check them out. There is something about making fire and cooking with it, like this ancestral feeling. I don't know how to describe it, but a feeling of doing something your ancestors did just a century or two ago. My ancestors lived just 2 hours south of this beach, and I'm sure they cooked over fires many nights and maybe traveled through here. That's just the way I think of it. I love history and I find it very fascinating. But for sure I'll be cooking over fire more often than using my propane stove whenever I can. last time was pretty nice weather, nothing crazy like the usual. Well, like the last trip we had out here, it was super windy. This time it wasn't that windy, it was actually nice. And I slept inside the Tundra. I just slept in the driver's seat. I kind of wanted to wake up early when the sun came out. Obviously the sun woke me up, so it's perfect. And I didn't set up a tent or anything, so I just throw my things back in the truck and I'm good to go. I was supposed to bring my four-wheel camper, but I need to do a little bit of modification to it so it can fit in the back of the Tundra, and then it's all good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you want more of these episodes. Stickers and patches on the link below. Follow me on Instagram, and we will see you on the next one.